Did it just freaking stop raining? It just rained. No, it was starting to rain whenever I was like walking after doing that video. I'm like, it's raining. I grabbed my umbrella. Hello, Mother Nature. What the crap are you doing right now? Ugh. I broke it. Okay, I fixed it by just throwing it 20 times. My friend Cassidy just texted me. But I feel like Mother Nature hates me now. I feel like the weather hates me. I swear. I broke it again. There. But yeah, that's the news for today. I think Mother Nature hates me. Good.